Hi, welcome to the small shed. This week I want to get the tool wall finished so I can get this place working properly. See you in a minute. Now the last bit of space that I've got on the tool board, I need to put some everyday used tools on, and I've just been through the bag in the garage and had a look around in here, and essentially I think I want to have one or two of my little collapsible pull saws, so I'll make up a couple of loops that I can put through the handle, cut some block board or something, or plywood. I need to have a couple of hammers. There's a big hefty one and a smaller one that I've had for a while. Quite know how any of this will fit. It's a matter of just trying it out, I think. I've got a square that I want to put in and tidy up again at some point. Pliers, a couple of pairs of pliers. Yeah, I think that'll do. I think that'll work. That's pretty much where I want to go, I think. Yeah, so I've just marked out on this bit of spare ply where that space will be on the wall, just so I can get it roughly right. And I think we're about there, so we'll just start and make some blocks. Just mark out now and start to get the shapes made for all the bits that I need to hang. Right, let's make a start with this, because I think that's the most important one, because you can set that at an angle so that it won't naturally fall to that shape. I want it to actually lie like that, and with the block in the handle that will force it to go to the place I want it to. So we'll start with that one. What I also managed to do when I was having to clear out and tidy up is get the drills and drivers into this top drawer on the slide out unit, so again we've cleared a bit more space for stuff. Just going to mount things like the hammers just on a couple of screws. I'm not going to worry too much. I'm not going to the extent of putting outlines on the wall or anything like that, but it's a matter of finding a space for them that they can hang up out the way. And the next pull saw. Now the question is, will that go through a hole in the end? No. So I've got two options there. I can either turn the head of a screw down, which is a bit of a faff, or I can make the hole slightly bigger, which would seem the most sensible solution. It's great. Next, pliers. Hammer. Probably don't need two hammers, but this is a slightly lighter one that I do use a bit. Squares. And the like. Same problem, they won't go in. So I might need a pin on those, I think. Let's see if we've got a small nail. Right, I think that's about it. Everything now has got a place to sit that I'm likely to need. It's sufficiently flexible that with not too much trouble I can move stuff around. I think I've got everything that I need in there now. I've got a couple of these pull saws, so I made that block slightly deeper. But I think that's just about it now. There are two more things left which I'd forgotten about, which are the rebating planes. I'm just going to put a shelf across the top, I think. Taking the clock down at the moment, or it fell down is the truth of the matter. But I'll just put a little shelf across the top, and that will lose those altogether then as well. Right, let's put the shelf up. Just put those pair of rebating planes up there. They're not something I used in the past, but hopefully again it'll be something I'll use in the future. That's pretty much tied that wall up now. That's what I wanted to do. It's actually proved its worth already this afternoon in the shed, just doing this. I've been able to find my track saw and get it out and use it without having to struggle in the corner. I needed to find stuff and I've found it. The whole shed has got more room in it now, and as I say, it's all starting to work as a unit, so very pleased with that. Hope it was of interest. Look forward to seeing you next week. We'll try and get something different done, and I'll see you then. Bye.